Hello guys, it's Mama Teresa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is the continuation of our Baguio experience. Today guys, we are here at the Bell Church, which is located at the boundary between Baguio City and La Trinidad, Benguet. So guys, we are now at the La Trinidad. Yan, di makita yung, ayan La Trinidad, Benguet. Dito yung boundary ng Baguio and La Trinidad. Alihan. Wala pa si ate? Bago kami pumunta dito sa Baguio City, I did some research already on the locations of the different tourist spots here in Baguio City. Especially guys, if you are doing a DIY or do-it-yourself tour. So this is my second time here in Baguio City. That's why we did not avail of any tour packages offered by the travel agency. Instead, I did some research on the locations so that we can be able to tour around it or to tour by ourselves and through commute. By using Google Map, you have to check the location of each tourist spots if you are doing a DIY tour to avoid crisscrossing para tuloy-tuloy yung pagpunta sa mga locations. So, ang inuna namin for the first day is yung Session Road and yung Baguio Cathedral since nandun yung location ng first accommodation namin. And then we transferred sa second accommodation namin before getting back to the tour. Ha? Ha? Oh, nice sa taas ta. Alright, so isa rin sa dapat nating tandaan when we go travel, dapat meron tayong dalang payong. Hi guys!
Nasa kasaka gid sa Baguio day.
Hi guys! Another hangak day, another hangak activity. Payungin sa kobe. So another hangak activity. We are here at the Bell Church. Guys, lahat ng pupuntahan dito talagang hahangakin ka. Pero sulit naman guys. Tingnan nyo naman ang view. Diba? Grabe naman yan.
Guys,
Hangakin ka talaga.
oo. Tingnan mo si guys.
Ayan, buti pa yung si guys. Oh, nandyan na sa itaas. Kami nagpahinga pa muna dito.
Pahinga.
Come on guys.
Ay,
Hindi mo naman gusto yung ano mo.
Come on!
Balik tayo dito sa kabila.
Huwag na.
Wala din naman tayo silungan eh.
Kasi nga 'di ba Bell Church, ayan, Bell. Andito na talaga tayo sa Bell. Yan guys. That's La Trinidad, Benguet. Dito naman yung Baguio City. So, kaya pala Bell Church, ayan yung Bell. Dapat mag-picture tayo dyan, kaya lang umulan na. Paano yan? Guys, merong truck dito. Yan oh. Nag-truck siya. Baka gumalaw yung lupa. Yan yung view. Sa baba. Kasi nga diba Bell Church? Ayan. Bell. Ayan guys, nagsilong-silong muna kasi may ulan. Ganda naman ng view dito. Para kayong picture na si Atihan. Ay,
Mabasa yapon. Basa na yung bag mo. Hmm.
okay guys, so after visiting the Bell Church, walking distance lang ang Stobosa Colorful Houses. This is already part of La Trinidad. So nilakad na lang namin from Bell Church to Stobosa. Easy streets na ito. This road will lead us towards the main streets of La Trinidad, Benguet. So, may unahan lang nito is makikita na yung mga commercial area. So, here now, nandito na tayo sa Stobosa Colorful Houses. So, every year, nag-change yung color nila. Pero meron silang sponsor na paint para sa mga houses nila na color coordinated. And also, meron din silang hanging bridge dito na pwede ka rin magpa-picture. Mag-picture din siya. Alright, sa pagkatapos naming mag-Stobosa, sumakay ulit kami ng jeep papunta sa commercial area ng La Trinidad, which is sa unahan lang naman ng Stobosa para kumain ng lunch. Alright, so dito muna magtatapos ang ating vlog. See you in my next upload para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Baguio adventure. Thank you for watching. Bye!